Muhurta Matrimony. No registration charges and no premium packages. Select profiles you like and just pay 25 rupees per profile. Download Muhurta Matrimony from the Play Store.
Nationalist Congress Party Chief Sharad Pawar on Friday said that the ongoing farmers' protest is likely to get prolonged and intense if the centre doesn't take a decision at the earliest. He said the protest that is currently at Delhi's borders may spread to other parts of the country. Pawar held the centre responsible and alleged that it passed bills without discussion. With the talks between the government and farmers remaining inconclusive, Haryana farmer leaders have made it clear that they will continue with the protests till the three contentious farm laws are revoked and a law to guarantee MSP for the 26 crops named by the farmers. Bharatiya Kisan Union Charuni has also urged the farmers of Haryana to increase their strength at Delhi borders and to also port their mobile phone SIM cards from Jio to other networks. Haryana's Deputy Chief Minister Dushyant Chautala, a key BJP ally, on Friday promised to resign from his post if he is unable to secure the minimum support price guaranteed for farmers. The remark comes a day after the farmers rejected the centre's written assurance that the MSP system will not be scrapped and insisted on the repeal of the three agriculture laws. Bengal's two top officers will skip the Union Home Ministry's summons over an attack on BJP President JP Nadda's convoy yesterday in the latest flashpoint between the centre and Mamata Banerjee's government. The Chief Secretary and Director General of Police will not attend the meeting as the incident was, quote, already being examined, unquote, the state government said in a letter to Union Home Secretary Ajay Bhalla. Choreographer and director Remo D'Souza was admitted to Mumbai hospital on Friday afternoon after suffering a heart attack. The 46-year-old choreographer is currently in the intensive care unit of the Kokilaben Hospital and doctors have done an angiography. Raja John Virpatur-Chari, an Indian-American US Air Force colonel, is among 18 astronauts, half of them women, who have been selected by NASA for its ambitious manned mission to the moon and beyond. The modern lunar exploration program will land the first woman and the next man on the moon in 2024.